Hi friends, welcome to my Xnote channel. Today's topic is area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 13 cm, 14 cm, 15 cm. 13 cm, 14 cm, 15 cm என்ற அளவுகளை கொண்ட முக்கோணத்தின் பரப்பளவு காண்க. Area of a triangle formula is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Then s has a separate formula, s equal to 1 by 2 into a plus b plus c. That means a plus b plus c divided by 2. So first we have to find out the s value. Then a is 13 centimeter, b is 14 centimeter, then c is 15 centimeter. So 13 plus 14 plus 15 divided by 2. Then we can add these. Then answer is 42. 42 by 2 is, we can cancel 2 into 42 is 21 times. So s is equal to 21. We can substitute here. S is 21. S equal to 21. Then s equal to 21 minus a is equal to 13. So 21 minus 13. S minus b, 21 minus 14. Then s minus c, 21 minus 15. Then 21 into 21 minus 13 is 8. This 21 minus 14 is 7. 21 minus 15 is 6. Then next step, we can written as 21 is 3 into 7. Then 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. Then 7 is as it is 7. Then 6 is 2 into 3. You can take outside the square root. So in the two numbers we can now take outside one number. So this 2 is, I can take 2 as outside. The next 2 I can take 2 is outside. The next this 7 and 7 I can take one single 7 is outside. Then this 3 and 3 single 7 is outside. அதாவது ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் அப்படின்னாலே ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு ஒரு நம்பர் நம்ம வெளியே எடுக்கணும். இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பர்லேருந்து ரெண்டும், இந்த ரெண்டுலேருந்து 1 ஒரு நம்பர் எடுத்துருக்கேன். அதே மாதிரி இந்த 7 into 7லேருந்து 1, 3 into 3லேருந்து ஒரு 3 எடுத்துருக்கேன். இது எல்லாத்தையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். 4 into 7 3s are 21. Here 84 centimeter square. Area value is 84 centimeter square. Thank you friends.